जाओ दीनी जाओ।
Pleasant good morning to all the dignitaries, honorable chief guests, guests from industries, guests from academia, directors, HODs, principals and faculty colleagues.
The word Om is of great significance, and hence we at Acropolis begin our day with Om chanting. I request you all to kindly sit straight. Please close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale with the sound of Om thrice. Please rub your hands, keep it on your eyes and open them.
We, Silky Janglani
and Priyanka Mokshmar,
members of Faculty of Management Studies, welcome you all to the grand event Indore HR Summit 2012 on theme Enhancing the Multidimensional Potential of Human Capital.
As per our tradition, beginning of any event starts with prayer, and thus I request respected Director AFMR Professor Sumer Singh and Shri Gaurav Sujatia, Chairman Acropolis, to kindly escort Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma, Mr. K. Sudeep, Mr. Neeraj Kumar, Mr. Sunil Tolani, Ms. Priyasri, Ms. Poonam Chandok, Dr. Binu Paul and Mr. Sinjay Trivedi for lighting of lamp before Goddess of Knowledge Devi Saraswati.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारद्रवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करे प्रभुदिवी देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापः निशेषजाड्यापः निःशेषजाड्यापः
I request all the dignitaries present on stage to kindly take their respective seats on stage itself.
With us today, eminent personalities from different parts of country, having served in realm of human resource. To welcome our guests who have done extraordinary contributions towards their respective organizations, we request student members of HR Club to kindly come near the stage. I invite Pavi Jain to accord floral welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma, Vice President CREDAI and CMD Amrapali Group.
Rashi Chaudhary to accord floral welcome to respectable guest from industry, Mr. K. Sudeep, Head Talent Acquisition, TCS, please.
Rajshri Parmar to accord floral welcome to respectable Mr. Neeraj Kumar, HR Leader, Business Operation Group, Wipro.
Pranav Pare to accord floral welcome to respectable Mr. Sunil Tolani, CEO, MPNCG Idea Cellular Limited.
Shikha Joshi to accord floral welcome to respectable Ms. Poonam Chandok, HR Head, West Zone, Larsen & Turbo Limited.
Shaili Gupta to accord floral welcome to respectable Mr. Sanjay Trivedi, Plant Head, Man Trucks India Private Limited.
Jigyasa Jain to accord floral welcome to respectable Ms. Priyasri Anil Kumar, Industry University Relation Leader, Honeywell International India Private Limited.
Request Surinder to accord floral welcome to respectable Dr. Binu Paul, Professor, TIS, Mumbai. I now request our respected Director, AFMR, Professor Sumer Singh, to kindly deliver the welcome address. Sir, please.
Respected Chief Guest for the summit's inaugural session, Dr. Anil Kumar Sharma, CMD Amrapali Group, Noida, Delhi, Ghaziabad, and even across the country. Mr. K. Sudeep, Head Talent Acquisition India, TCS, Mr. Sunil Tolani, CEO, Idea Cellular, MPCG, Mr. Neeraj Kumar, Wipro, Leader HR, Ms. Priyasri, Honeywell International, Dr. Binu Paul, Chairperson, School of Management and Labor Relations, TIS, Mumbai, Mr. Sanjay Trivedi, Plant Head HR, Man Auto Trucks, Pithampur. Off the dais, Mr. Sunil Kalyankar, who is also one of the eminent speakers for the summit. Guests from industry and academia, student delegates, and friends from media. It's my proud privilege to welcome you all on behalf of Acropolis Management, faculty, students, and my own behalf to Indore HR Summit 2012. A small initiative taken to bridge the gap through experience sharing between industry and academia in terms of latest happenings and mutual expectations from each other. It's a matter of great privilege for us to have good mix of eminent speakers across country and local industrial establishments of international repute. Not only the speakers, but we have enthusiastic participation from industry and academia as delegates in equal amount, representing industry as well as business schools of Indore region. Once again, welcome you all at Acropolis Indore HR Summit 2012. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for giving an energetic startup to the event.
I request Dr. Jiten Sharma, HOD HR Department, to brief us on the theme of the summit.
Good morning, everyone. Dr. Jiten Sharma. I'm here to throw light on the theme of Indore HR Summit 2012, enhancing the multi-dimensional potential of human capital. The idea behind having this theme is that every individual in this world has got immense potential to do his or her best, but the question is, who will tap this potential? The HR manager has to sharpen the skills of employees on continuous basis so that the productivity of the organization is ensured. Now, the traditional definition of HR management of managing people from recruitment to retirement is getting redefined. The new buzzwords of HR are multi-skilling, life management, ethical and value-based working. There is a need to look at HR functions, to look and to relook at HR functions in the current business environment, which poses challenges as well as opportunities. In the wake of globalization and especially post-recession phase, it becomes crucial to distinguish HRM from a new paradigm. HRM in its new attire aims at transcending the national borderlines. The HR managers have to transform themselves into strategic HR partners. They have to acquire the front seat in strategic decision making. Looking upon a need to share a common platform with top HR professionals across the country, Acropolis has taken the initiative of Indore HR Summit 2012. Today, we'll discuss 4 sessions on relevant HR themes. Session 1 will be based on the theme Building Generation Next Leaders. Session 2 will talk about managing attrition and minimizing human capital risks. Session 3 will be on cost of human capital and employability. And Session 4 will elaborate work-life balance and community development, the new mantra for sustainable HR practices. These 4 sessions would be addressed by our esteemed guests who will share their ideas and provide us new avenues of knowledge sharing in HR. Finally, it has been widely accepted that the prosperity of an organization depends only on people, means the employees, means the human capital, and investing on human resource means investing on success with guaranteed returns. It has been probably for the first time in Central India that an institution has invited top HR professionals to discuss HR issues. It is expected that this Mahakumbh of HR will generate thought-provoking inputs for all concerned. It will be a milestone towards linking industry and institution for the betterment of the society as a whole. I once again welcome the guests and the participants for Indore HR Summit 2012.